I could call up a table for two, enjoy a wine with a comfortable view, spend our evening in search of that place that could fix this fantastic mistake. If you feel like something touched me in ways one could describe, but let's just leave the rushing blood to speak its open mind. Let's speak of something longing now to finally be adored. Wistful whispers, hanging grapes, and silent summer thoughts, crackling embers, glowing points to fixate on through times of restless fingers straying over moments we should bide.